All right, guys, we got a 2005 Escalade 6.0 plastic dip wheels. Really nice car. We did it earlier in the year. Had dumps on it, but it's too loud, so he brought it back, and we just made it a little bit quieter for him. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it's true dual all the way back from the factory. And what we put on it is some DYNOMAX turbo muffler, super turbo. Part number 17758. There'll be a link in the description for it right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe out the back and out the side into a 5-inch roll tip. Came out really nice, really clean. There's the muffler. We got to tilt it a little bit to make it fit, but that is it. Super turbo DYNOMAX. Better? Too quiet? Too quiet. That's what you wanted. I can make it louder, I can cut it off. Super turbo. They break in about 30 days. It's a little bit louder. Let it break in and see. It's not like you don't know somebody that has an exhaust shop. They can fix it. Here's sound decibels. Again. 96.6. I know what to put on these to make them quiet. She needs a bath. It just rained, so. What do you guys think? Do you like it loud or you like this sound? Let you guys hear it on the inside. Escalade Super Turbo DYNOMAX. That sounds nice.